Hello everyone, this is Siddharth, and in this video we will be solving another question from the list that I have shared in the starting of this playlist. So if you don't know what we are doing, we are making a playlist in which I will be solving all those questions which are related to each other, so that we can able to build pattern instead of memorizing the whole questions, so that we can solve other question as well with intuition in the contest as well as in the interview. And I will suggest that you will you can start solving the question from the hash one question I have shared, and I have made the full documentation of this playlist from the first question to the latest one on my GitHub account. I have put the description. I have put the link in the description as well. You can check it out from there. And uh, I hope that you can give a star to my repo as well. So let's start solving this question as well. That is k difference pairs in an array. So we have given an array and we have to find the pair which is satisfying these three conditions. First, I and j should be in the range of the array, and then I should not be equals to 1, I should not equals to j, and then the difference of I and j should be equals to the value of k. So this is what we have to do. And let me tell you guys, currently we are on sliding window approach. Before that I have already completed two pointer approach of two kind. First, in which both pointer are moving with the same speed, and another one is one pointer is moving slow and another pointer is moving fast. So now from like the fourth or the fifth video, latest one, I have started to solve all the questions which are related to sliding window. So this question also is related to sliding window. Now I will suggest that you can like pause the video and try to solve this question using sliding window approach. So let's see how we will be solving this. Let's take this array as an example, that is 3 1 4 5, 3 1 4, and then 1 5. So what we can do, we can make a left and right pointer, that is our window. Our length will going to be 2. Now what we can do, as k is equals to 2, now we have to find all those pair which are equals to 2. Now what we can do, we can sort this array first. So this will going to be 1 comma 1 3 4 and 5, so that we can easily find this. So, and you can like think it like in the all the question of the sliding window and the two pointer, the best approach is to sort that array or string, something that is given in our question. So after sorting this, what we can do, we can start checking if the nums of right minus left is equals to k, then we can move our we can move our left pointer, and then we can increase our valid pair count. And also we have to check if our left will become equals to right, then we have to uh, we have to increment our window length, so that we can move on to the next element, as we don't have to put those elements where I is equals to j. So, and in the previous case, when after like calculating the difference of these two pair, this is the valid case, then we have to move our pointer left to the right side. I have mistakenly said that we have to move our right pointer, but we have to move our left pointer, because for this right value, we have already processed uh, all the possible pair of numbers whose difference is equals to k. And also we have to take care of this case as well, where we will be encountering the duplicates as well. For that we can use a condition to skip these duplicates, in where we are like where we will be like handling that, where the difference of these two value, let's take that difference, if difference is equals to k, then in this condition we have to skip the uh, repeated element as well. So for that we have to like apply some condition. So let's see how we will be solving this question. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to make a count variable that we want to return. So int count will be become equals to 0. Then we have to make two pointers. Left will be pointing to 0 and then right will be pointing to 1, so that we can start checking. Now we just have to do the same in the sliding window approach, that is left should be less than nums dot length, that will going to be int n is equals to nums dot length. So this left should be less than n, and this sorry another condition will be right should also be less than n. Now what we have to do, we have to check if the difference, that is nums of right, minus nums of left if that is less than k. If the difference is less than k, then what we can do, we can increase a left pointer, so left plus plus. And otherwise, in the else if condition, if this is the difference is greater than k, that is, if the difference is greater than k, then we can move a right pointer. So that will going to be, if difference is greater than k, then in that case, so in the first case, if the difference is less than k, then we have to move a right pointer, sorry, because we have to increase the difference so that we can able to move to the higher element to increase the sum. Now if the sum is greater than k, then we can do the left plus plus. And in the else part, that will going to be where the condition met, the difference is equals to k, then we have to first increase the count, that is count plus plus, and then we have to increment our left window counter. Now we have to skip that duplicate element as well. So for that we can use a while loop, that is while this left is less than the value of n, and another condition is nums of left is equals to nums of left minus 1. So if this is the case, then we have to move our left pointer so that we can skip the duplicate element. And in the last, we just have to return the count. So this is the question. Now we can try to run this and see. So there should be a semicolon. Okay, so there is an issue. Let me check. Okay, guys. So the issue is we are not taking care of that case where I will become equals to z. So that is when left will become equals to right. Then also we have to move our right pointer, because we have to left the current element. If there is a condition also, if I does not equals to z, only then we have to process that pair. So this will going to be in the or condition. And also guys, we haven't short the array as well. That will going to be arrays. That's why the issue is coming. So arrays dot short, and we can pass this nums array. Then we can try to run this. Okay, now we can submit it as well. Okay, so we have successfully solved this question. See you in the next video. Bye.